Welcome along to another video presentation from the Computer Information Agency. My name is Robert, and in this video we'll have a look at locating documents in SharePoint. If you are planning to install, migrate or maintain Windows SharePoint, we recommend you take a look at our Windows SharePoint Operations Guide. For more information, see www.wssops.com. If I want to locate a document within SharePoint, there are a number of ways to go about this. The most logical place to start looking for a document is in the document library. Links to the document library are located on the left-hand side of SharePoint by default under the Quick Links section. Simply clicking on a link will take you to that document library. Now that we're in the document library, you can see that I have a significant list of documents to choose from. If I'm looking for a specific document, in this case a presentation I provided at SMB Nation 2008, it may be difficult for me to locate this in the list. What I do know about the document I'm searching for is that it is of a large file size. So what I can do is go to the column heading that is indicated as file size. I can mouse over that column and then select the right down arrow that appears that will allow me to sort the information in this column by descending amounts. So when I select that, I'll be able to sort my files based on their file size. This will allow me to identify whether the document that I'm searching for appears at the top of the list. As you can see, there are other documents that are of significant size, and the one that I'm looking for doesn't appear in the first couple of entries. What I can do is I can return to the column headings where I'll find one based on technology. If I then pull the options down for this column, you'll find that one of the options available is to select SharePoint. In this case, what's happened is I've added an additional field to the list of items in this document library, and I've been able to categorize that information as SharePoint. This now means that I can not only sort the information, but I can also filter it. Now my SharePoint document library only shows me documents that match the criteria of having the technology column set to SharePoint. And as you can see, the very first document in this list is the one that I'm after. Alternatively, what you can do to locate the document you're after is simply once again go to the document library from the main page, and then rather than doing sorting and filtering, simply put in a search criteria at the top right hand side of the screen. If you now search on that criteria, SharePoint will produce the results shown here. And as you can see, the item at the top of the list is the item that I'm looking to download. So once again, locating information within SharePoint can be achieved a number of different ways. Probably the fastest is using the inbuilt search functionality that comes with SharePoint version 3. I'd like to thank you for watching the video and ask that if you found this video to be helpful, to make a donation via donation.ciaops.net.au. Also, please don't hesitate to send me feedback at director@ciaops.com or keep in touch via my blog, supportweb.ciaops.net.au/blog. Thank you very much for watching.